Well, hello there. We are, where are you? Okay, there you are. I'm using a different camera, so trying out the I keep saying DJI and it's not. It's DJI. Trying out the little Pocket 2. We're going to see how this goes. We are on Froom Ranch to Irish Hills. For details on specifics, watch Letty's channel. Because I'm not good at all that. Okay, 4.1 miles.
700 and something elevation.
700 and something elevation. So I can already tell this is going to be crazy. But we're going to get this done. We're going to do it. Okay, so we are crazy. So go up the wrong place, that's for sure. Because I'm just like, because I didn't see another way to go up. So anyway, we'll eventually get back to the trail. So this is about a half a mile. It looks like it's up, but we would have been going up anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me, right? Doesn't really matter. Letty's already getting warm, so she's taking off her jacket. I had like some moisture underneath my little watch face, like the little protective cover. So I popped it off and it went down. It went down. I don't care. I'm so done with that. It wouldn't like, every time I hit my watch to do something, it wouldn't go. So, solve that problem.
Yeah. To go down there.
It's not gonna happen.
And she went to go pop it off her watch and it literally rolled all
like way down there. It's not gonna happen.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's just keep going.
Alright, well, I'm worried. We can go down this way, all the way down, but I'm afraid of snakes, and I don't know if there's anything hiding down there. Like,
I just don't think it's that important. It's like $6.
okay.
It's no use like me breaking my ankle.
Yeah.
So yesterday I was with This is pretty up here. Got sidetracked, yeah. Taking photos. Yesterday I was with my grandson and I got to his house, my daughter's house, and he was crying. So I said, "Do you want to go get something to eat?" He goes, "Yeah." "You want to go to the car wash?" "Yeah." Okay. So I pick him up, and normally I don't pick him up because, well, he's a little bigger and I'm like not as strong as I used to be. So anyway, pick him up. And I stepped down my daughter. She has 2 front steps. And my ankle just buckled and I went all the way to the ground. But I was still holding him. I was still holding him. And so anyway, throughout the day, it kind of worked itself out. So, did not sprain it, did not break it, did not do anything. But I could feel my ankle just like it felt like it was just going down in 2 pieces. But nope, feels good today. Yeah. gonna hate me because we have to go up that hill. But we made it here. That's good. So this was 2 tents. Which isn't that far. But it felt far to us. I don't know what's that way. So, you don't want to go up that hill, Letty? No. No.
Don't have a choice.
Do you want to see what this hill is over here? We can go look and see what this hill is over here. So we are on trail now. It wouldn't have mattered. We would have had to climb no matter what. It's just the level of steepness for each one is where the difference is. Oh, but we seem to be doing pretty good. What's interesting is where we would have climbed up. That's kind of almost probably as steep as we would have had to walk down. And sometimes going down a steep hill is not that great either. So you just gotta, navigate and see what works best for your legs. I know my butt could use it, but my butt could use it. I'd rather be going up and working my butt.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep.
Okay, so I don't want to fall. This has actually been, except for that, well, I want to say except for that big straight up hike, because in the end, we need to do that. If we want to go on, do a long trail, like we would love to do this 4 or 5 day trail on Catalina Island. We'd love to do that someday. We have to be able to do those straight up hills. So I'm kind of glad we got lost, because I think we did that pretty successfully. So, but this is we're on the downhill. I say that now. Watch me come up to another hill, and Letty's gonna yell at me. But this has actually been like a really beautiful one. We haven't passed a lot of people either, so it's been kind of nice. But and I think it's just a perfect day. There's nice breeze. It's cool out here. The sun's still out, but it's beautiful. Not a lot of shade. I will tell you that. Not a lot of shade. But as I walk in the shade. I'm telling you, there's no shade. But, oh Lord, I think I see a hill. I think going down that steep hill, my toes would have been hurting. Whoops!
That's like the third or fourth time.
You need to keep that camera on. I'm gonna tumble pretty soon. We're hiking. Well, we don't know where we're hiking. We're Irish Hills and Froom Canyon. We went a little bit off trail, but it's been so pretty. So pretty. All right, a while ago, God, maybe like a year ago, huh?
Yeah.
We were on this same trail right now, except this is the only part. We saw people on the other side of the creek, like where I was filming what I just showed you. We saw people over there where we were walking now, and we were like, oh, there's another trail over there. So this is the trail we're doing today, is where we saw all those people walking a long time ago. But now we got to figure out, because we're going to come out by Costco. And hey, oh, my car's there.
Do you smell chorizo? Because I smell
chorizo. I smell chorizo.
right?
Smells so good. Okay, so my car is at Costco. So we're debating right now. But we're not that far either, so we should really finish the trail.
Yes.
We should do it right.
Yes.
We're tempted, but we smell food and we're starving. So
Your car's right there. Good chorizo. And I don't see like a restaurant around here. Do you, Dina?
no, but it could just be our imagination.
Our imagination.
Okay, my car's right. Yeah. All right.
That's Costco. That's where Dina's car is parked. So I'm seriously thinking of getting in her car and then driving to mine. Only because we smell that food.
We're going straight to the rib place. With the trail. Yeah, we did go off course, but I don't care. We did it. That was pretty good too, because we started. How long did it take us? Maybe like only like 2.5 hours?
Took us
It's only
2
12
hours and 40 minutes.
No, it didn't really.
Yeah.
Because we got here like what, 9:30?
We ended. I don't even know what time, but it took us 2 hours and 40 minutes.
2 hours and 40 minutes. That's still not bad. I mean, we're getting back into the swing of things,
Actually,
so I think that's pretty good.
what? My thing says we hiked 140 minutes, so that's 2 hours and 40 minutes, huh?
No.
I'm not good with math.
No. 140 minutes. 60 and 60 is 120. That's 2 hours. So so if it's 140 minutes, it's 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Well, my watch says 2 hours and 40 minutes.
Wait, hold on. If it's 140 minutes, yes, that's 2 hours and 20 minutes.
All right.
I don't know.
It's all right.
Our brain is deprived because we haven't ate yet, so we're gonna go eat. I'm so hungry. All right, so that is it. Did you see that food? Oh my gosh. I started eating it and then I realized I didn't even take a picture of it. So, yeah, a little gross, but you got it. She ate. We got down. Let me just tell you, we weren't talking. We got down. We weren't even
talking to each other.
And kind of what we realized is that we believe the place we went in San Luis is related to the one that's up where we went last Saturday, because the bowls are the same and some of the food looks the same. So anyway, all right, that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to both of our channels, Grandma on the Go, Dina Cruising Through Life.
Up.
Take care. Have a great day.